Hey guys, welcome to a quick demo of how to install WordPress on CloudJiffy. To install WordPress, just go to a marketplace, go to WordPress cluster or standalone kit, click on install. Choose a scaling strategy, low load, medium load or high load. Choose from the advanced set of features and give your environment a name. We do have various locations. We do have India, US and Germany. Once you give your environment a name, click on install. Once the installation is done, go ahead and bind your domain. To bind your domain, go to the main page, go to your environment. You can go to your DNS panel and create an A record and bind it to the IP of the topmost layer. In this case, load balancer. To add an SSL, go back to the main page to the topmost layer. Go to add-ons and click on configure. And put in your domain name. Once that is done, go to your WordPress page, log in, and then go to settings. In settings, go to general settings, and then bind your domain name there as well. And click on save, and you're good to go. Thank you.